Hello, students. Welcome to the second year of your graduation. I'm Dr. Shyaonti Talwar, and I'm going to be dealing with your optional English subject. So, this is going to be an introductory lecture where I will be taking you through the syllabus of the first semester, talking about the book which has been prescribed for you, and the focus of each area or each unit which has been prescribed for the first semester. So these are some course details. The optional English syllabus or paper which you're going to be taking this year, it's a choice-based credit system paper, and it is the 3515 pattern, and it is also called the ability enhancement course. Now we'll see in the course of the lecture why it is called the ability enhancement course. It has come into effect from this year itself, so this is the first year of its implementation, and you can see the credit points that are allotted for it. So this is the text which you have been prescribed. It's the name of the text is Horizons, English in Multivalent Contexts, and it's an Orient Black Swan publication. These are the objectives of the course. The primary objective of the course is to introduce the use of English in multimedia. Then, to familiarize the students with language skills in multivalent context, because we realize that for science graduates, your language application is going to be very different from the language application of a student studying humanities or a student of literature. So, obviously, you need to be able to use your language in a competent and proficient manner in multifarious context. So this is what the course aims to do, to enhance your skills so that you're able to use and show your language proficiency in all those contexts which you may come across in your life and which may prove to be useful for you. The third objective is to acquaint and enlighten students regarding the speaking skills in various contexts. So, we are also looking at developing your speaking skills, that is, your productive skills, how you produce and use language. The fourth objective is to acquaint and familiarize students with advanced writing skills in different contexts. So, along with speaking, we are also going to focus on the other productive language skill, which is that of writing. Besides this, our intention is also to sensitize you to certain soft skills that are common across subjects and across disciplines, regardless of whatever career choice you make. The sixth objective is to minimize the gap between the existing communicative skills of the students and the skills they require at the professional level. So we've tried to map the skills which you require at the workplace to the skills you acquire in college through this course. And the last objective is to develop competence among students to appreciate and analyze short stories and poetry. So this objective focuses on your critical thinking ability. So that was the course and the objectives of the course for you. And in the next video, we shall be looking at the relevance of each unit.